Hi friends, today we are testing inkai.com, which is supposed to be a great AI slop generator. I've seen in Twitter really cool things. Let's see if the hype makes sense or this is actually. So I am this website. I see like a lot of things, a lot of slop around here. So how can I use this thing? Okay, experience now. Yeah, great video. Okay, I need to sign up. I need to upload 3 to 10 seconds. Okay, now I managed to do a short video of like 5 seconds. We are trying to replace me. We have here the model. And now I need to add an element of what I want to replace. I'm loading a random guy and asking to replace with provided face in image. Task submitted. Estimated waiting time 4 minutes. Turn on notification to get notified. Like really futuristic. Okay, so now we have the result. We are downloading it to see it better.
Hi friends, today I'm talking to you about AI Slop.
Once again.
Hi friends, today I'm talking to you about AI Slop.
Okay, so it works. Yeah, for free it works for super short videos. So I guess that people that are using Twitter, they are paying or they are being paid to use the premium one. But yeah, it seems like it works. Perhaps I should use this tool to be less ugly. So see you next video.